start crafting here. Hopefully do something nice for Halloween decorations. Okay, so here's what we're gonna be using. Some dollar store glass containers. And I'm going to be using my Tri-Art liquid glass as my glue because I know that this dries clear. But you could use Mod Podge. You could use, I know there is like a liquid that you can use for decorations for Christmas, you know, that you can use to stick the glitter to your, like to your spheres, Christmas ornaments and all of that. I don't have that. And I had Mod Podge, but the Mod Podge that I have is a matte Mod Podge, and I don't want my glitter to look matte, so I'm not using that. This one dries with a clear, glossy finish, so this is what I'm going to be using. And then you're going to need some electrical tape, black electrical tape. You can also find this at the dollar store. I found this one at the dollar store. And of course our glitter. And I was thinking of adding or putting a candle inside. Hopefully it'll work. We'll see. I'm just gonna fold this. And this is going to be the one we're gonna be using for our pumpkin. So this is the container for the pumpkin as well, also dollar store. And again, we're gonna be doing the same thing. Adding a coat of this. Okay, I'm just going to use one of these spongy, again, from the dollar store. You can find these at the dollar store. I found these in the craft section, and you can also find them in the automotive section where they have all the stuff for the guys, you know. So we're going to add some of our glitter here. We're just going to tilt this around and make sure everything is covered, and then we're just going to get rid of the excess. And this one is looking gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. You're going to see it in just a minute. Beautiful. This can even be used for like a vase. Look at this. Isn't that gorgeous? You can use this for, you know, doing just a decoration for a regular vase. Or this would look amazing in a tumbler. It's just so, you know, so it just kind of even looks like it's glowing. But it's just that sparkle, you know, that golden sparkle that you can see through the orange color. So now let's just do our pumpkin face, our jack-o'-lantern face. We're gonna cut some ice here using the electrical tape. Just gonna cut some triangles. Something like this. Okay, so I'm just gonna put that. I can't. And this is so hard. This one moves. It's round so it doesn't stay still. Okay, come on, come on. You can do it. Okay, not perfect, but you get the idea. We're just gonna leave it like that. Super cute. Look at that. on to our next project, the last one that we have. So that one is the one that we're gonna make is a magic potion, and we're gonna be doing that with our Spellbinder glitter.